Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the browser or Google app where the search is live, sign into the correct account. Next, go straight to Settings, then My Activity or Search History, and filter by a date range or pick All Time to capture everything. Once done, select Delete and Confirm. That removes stored entries. Then make sure to disable web and app activity so future searches won't be logged. This prevents reaccumulation of searchable history. Now you handle stored searches and suggestions. Start by enabling delete automatically and pick a retention period such as 3, 18, or 36 months to limit future data. Then manually remove specific queries. Type a word in My Activity, check matching items, and delete them. Repeat until clean. Also clear your browser's autocomplete and cached suggestions in its privacy settings to remove saved query prompts, because removing server history doesn't always clear client-side suggestions. To finish, sign out and repeat the deletion process on other devices. Since sync devices can repopulate history, make sure sync is paused. Next, audit extensions and third-party apps that might save searches and disable or revoke their access. This prevents reappearance. If entries persist, clear cookies, revoke Google account access for suspect apps, and recheck My Activity. If that still fails, contact Google support. They can help remove stubborn items. Keep calm and document what you tried.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.